She don't succeed.
Greetings and welcome back to Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. I am Karen K. Rush, Amazing K, and today I have a special guest with me, Miss Cynthia Leftwich of Summit Unlimited, my business partner. Say hello, everybody, to Cynthia.
Hi, everyone.
Cynthia and I are here today to tell you what we're celebrating today. Today is Thursday, November 2nd. It is National Men Cook Dinner Day. Yay!
All right.
It's also National Ohio Day. Yay! And it's also National Deviled Egg Day. Yay! So first, let's talk about Men Cook Dinner Day. This is the day that is set apart to really honor men that know their way around the kitchen and that are used to cooking already. But it's also to honor men that don't know their way around the kitchen and don't usually cook. And it's a day where they can get in there and go ahead and give their wives a break, their spouse a break, or their parents a break, and just figure it out. But there's some things you need to know first for Men Cook Dinner Day. That means you have to do the cooking for it. You have to do the grocery shopping for it. You have to do the shopping for the meal. You have to plan the meal, do the shopping for the meal, and cook the meal, and then clean up after the meal.
Oh my God.
All of that is part of cooking. Yes, it is. But Cynthia and I are fortunate enough to have men in our lives, to have had men in our lives, because we're both widows. Yes, we are. I'm actually a widow twice, but I didn't tell them. So, oh, right, twice. We're both. That's why we're here. We have so much in common. Yes, we are widows, and both of my husbands were cooks. One was a gourmet cook because his mom had a catering business and he helped out with that. And the other one just loved to cook. He would get on those cooking shows and just try out recipes. And I never really had to cook through any of my marriages. I know how to cook, but I just didn't have to. But the jury's still out about that, me knowing how to cook. But I was just so fortunate because, he would do all the big holiday meals, all of the, when we used to go camping, our kids were little, and as we grow up, and then everyone would come in one of our camping trips, we will always have a welcome to camp dinner. And that would be the one where everybody come to our cabin, and we just have a big meal, and everybody love his cooking. And I remember after he died, we were like, well, we got to get our camping trip together, but everybody said, yeah, but who gonna cook?
Not the same.
They knew it wasn't going to be me, so I don't know. Cynthia, tell us about your husband's cooking and what is your favorite dish that he loved that you cooked?
Well, he had so many because he cooked so much, okay? But at home, when it was time for Thanksgiving or whatever, it was certain meals that he had to be the one to do it or nobody was going for it. One of them is his fried corn. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Whatever it was he did to that, everybody could tell. If his fingers hadn't been anywhere near there, none for me, thanks, I'm driving. Yeah, that's how they would do. And then at school, because he was teaching, not cooking, he was teaching at a cooking school, but he was doing electronics, industrial, that kind of thing. However, every year, the school would have a taste fest.
Wow.
And he would fix his neck bones with the apple glaze sauce.
Oh my goodness.
Over rice. They taught him, once he started doing they said, you need to put that over the rice. Didn't he bring it in and he had it over rice? And out of all the people who were had degrees to cook, they would have a line running to Mr. Leftwich's doggone table first. And it would be a long line, and everybody else would be sitting doing one of these until they got sure they had what he fixed. Yes.
Oh my goodness, what a memory, what a memory. So we do salute our husbands this day on National Men Cook Dinner Day. We were fortunate enough to have that. If you have a man in your life that cooks, salute him. Give him his flowers while he's there. Yes. Tell him thank you. It's such a blessing to be married because marriage is a blessing.
Yes,
and
it is.
One day, maybe we'll get married again. I don't know. Maybe third time's a charm for us.
Yeah,
we
actually completed 53 chapters, my husband and I, 53 chapters this past October.
Awesome.
And so, folks look and say, are you sure it's been that long? Yes, I was there for every one of them.
Every one.
53 chapters.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, so it's also Ohio Day. Ohio Day is the 17th state to join the United States of America. So we salute Ohio. You know, it's known as the Buckeye State, and you know it has the who is it? The Hoosiers? Who are the I don't even know the teams. Yeah, that's bad. That's bad. Somebody's gonna put in the comments who the teams are for Ohio. But oh, wait a minute. I do know, because I was there one time and there was a game going on. They were playing the Pistons, and I forgot where I was. I was in Cleveland, Ohio. Just dropped my son off at Case Western Reserve University his freshman year. And no, who
okay,
is it? Not Scottie Pippen. What's his name? The famous guy who, you know, we just read about him. We're reading that Tim Glover
You
coached
opened this
him.
can of worms, so you're gonna have to figure it out.
Tim Glover, he mentored him. Scotty, is it Scottie Pippen?
No.
Oh, no. It was the one with, is it the one? Not the one.
That's the end of that story.
Oh, okay, that's the end. I'm terrible. This is bad. But I know they were the Cavaliers. Ohio, was it the Cavaliers? Cleveland Cavaliers.
Yeah.
So whoever that was, they were playing. I was sitting in a bar, you know, trying to get a bite to eat on the way home, back to Detroit from dropping my son off. And they were playing the Pistons, Detroit Pistons, you know, I root for them. And they made a point, and I jumped up like, yes! And I looked around like, okay, I forgot where I was.
Yes.
You're not in Kansas anymore. You're not in Detroit anymore, okay? So sit down.
For
Nobody's
sure,
here
that
rooting for the
didn't work
Pistons. They were all rooting for the Cavaliers. But today we salute Ohio. Yes, it is your day, the Buckeye State. You have, you know, Lake Erie, which is beautiful. And sometimes when I drive back, I drive down Lake Erie instead of the highway just to see that beautiful scenery. So we welcome you on your birthday. Happy birthday, Ohio. And it is Deviled Eggs Day. Yay! And today, deviled eggs is honored because that is that wonderful hors d'oeuvre treat, or hors d'oeuvres, as some people call them, but hors d'oeuvres.
Hoity
And
horse.
my mom, well, to me, made deviled eggs. Oh my God, I loved it. And I forgot, I'm going back. We talked about the favorite meal. We were just talking about this. My husband, my late husband, my second husband that passed away, he made liver and onions taste so good.
And
Now,
a
you
little
know,
bacon, though.
now I don't know if he did or not, because see, I wasn't in the kitchen when he was cooking. But I tell you what, when I was a little girl, I hated liver. I could not stand it. I thought it was so tough and rubbery and ugh. But when he made it for me one day, I was like, what is this we're eating? He said liver. I'm like, you're kidding me. This is not liver, because I can't stand liver. But it was, and he just made it so like melt in your mouth, everything. But everything he made was good. So. But deviled eggs. My mom loved them. At every picnic, we would have deviled eggs for her, you know, holidays and things like that. I used to think deviled eggs was a summer treat. And I was wondering, why would they make the national holiday here in November? But look what we have today.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Deviled eggs, courtesy of Miss Leftwich's daughter, Miss Heidi Lynn. Heidi Lynn Smith made these deviled eggs for us, and we're so excited. We're going to taste one because everybody knows I'm a foodie.
Okay.
So here's one for you.
Okay, why did you do a spin? Okay.
Now, how do you make deviled eggs? You know, it's just boiled eggs, and you take the yolk, and then you mix it up with mayo. Here's a napkin.
First of all, I'm left-handed and sharing the way.
Left-handed, Leftwich.
Yes, that's why they call me Lefty for both
Lefty
of them.
for your name.
Yum.
Yum. Mmm. 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 Mmm.
So good. Licking.
Finger looking good.
Finger licking good.
Go away,
Uh-oh, we
Frankie.
got company.
Frankie, the Leftwich dog, wants some, but he cannot have any. I don't think dogs supposed to eat eggs, are they? I know they can't eat candy. And some things they can't eat. But this was good. Oh, I'm sorry, Frankie. We have to give her a dog biscuit.
I'll have to do one of these deviled eggs.
But listen, these deviled eggs are the bomb. So today is National Deviled Eggs Day. I would love to see your recipe, how you make it, because there's a variety of ways. Mustard and mayonnaise is like the mainstay. What seasoning you put on? Some people put I know my mom used to sprinkle paprika, and some people put bacon bits in it or what have you. Let's see
green onion.
Oh, green onion. Oh, my goodness. Yes.
Yep.
God, that was good. Okay. It just brings me back memories of my mommy and her deviled eggs. So that's it for today. We talked about men cooking today, Ohio, deviled eggs. So we want you to understand and remember, subscribe. Let people know about this channel. This channel is going places. We have a new promo. So the promo, you will see it when you go on the channel. And we're still giving away trips because that's what we do. That's our business. We are travel business owners. We own travel businesses so we can help people with trips and give them away trips, and we can help people be their own boss and help people be a business owner. If that's something you want to do, because this is November, this is the beginning of the year. You want to do something new, do something different, add some income to your life, add some legacy where income will be leveraged and income will be residual. You make me do the work once and get paid when?
That Michael Jackson kind of money.
Yeah, Michael Jackson
the
kind of
family
money.
get it and he's gone. Yeah, that's residual.
It keeps going. It keeps going. Even when you stop, it keeps going. So contact us about that because we're serious about what we do. And we are serious about sharing it with everybody who wants something more out of life. Because you deserve that. Because we want you to be bold, be blessed, be you. Because you are your original uniqueness. And you have something to bring to the table, and you have something to celebrate every day. And that's what we want you to do. Be blessed, be bold, be you, celebrate every day. Thank you for coming, and we'll see you back next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, you're so welcome, Miss Cynthia Leftwich. Thank you for having me here in Leftwich Lounge on location. Bye-bye.